Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel and happy 2022. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season, that you spent a lot of time with your loved ones, and I hope that 2022 will bring you lots of love, happiness, and health. So what better way, of course, to start a new year that with a new setup? And as always, I had to use my traveling notebook that I received with the Stay Golden Simply Gilded subscription box, which is the last box in the current format. So that was so sad, but Irene really ended the whole current format with this gorgeous traveler notebook cover in a basic size, which I have kind of customized, adding a jumbo. So this jumbo, it's a lavender jumbo. It's available on the website as far as I can tell. So it usually comes with a hook here, or a little lobster clasp, heart-shaped, that I detached, and then I have attached, like I showed you guys before, like I've done it previously, but I usually basically just use double-sided tape to attach it, and then I have little, there we go, little grommets there. But I thought that this was the perfect planner for the beginning of the year, but you can definitely use this for the spring, etc. Now I've had some changes happening in December. I've started actually a new job, and so my planning style will be changing because I'm actually using a larger planner for my work. I'm using an A5 wide, so I'm gonna try and set it up. Right now I'm just basically jotting down everything that I'm doing. So this will be more of like a family planner. So you will see that I've changed a couple of things around. But again, this is the gorgeous planner that comes with the Stay Golden box, and it has this very soft pinky, I would say it's a pink lavender undertone. It's not a straight pink. It's very beautiful, these gorgeous florals. So this jumbo I've had in my stash for a while, and I thought it was a perfect match because I don't use a lot of purple, to be completely honest. I'm more of a pink person, but this is my kind of if I ever go purple, this is the kind of purple I go for. So on the inside you'll see that there's a pocket here, in a little smaller pocket. In the back here of the pocket I have included this acetate of this beautiful home. This came in a PlannerSociety kit a while ago. It came in different styles, so this was the perfect, just to peek from the back. Then I have a little paper clip from oh my goodness, Peony's Papery, that's the name. Then I have a little notepad from a Simply Gilded box, an older one. Then I have some Simply Gilded decals, just for decorations, honestly. They're just there to look cute. This is from Heidi Swap, and these are little just tabs, the flags that I have in my stash. This was from a previous box, the little page marker, and also a washi card that was released earlier with an assortment of washi in the current color scheme. Some are from the box, some are not. And here is the first insert. Now I wanted to use up some of the papers that came in previous boxes, and so I have started out with this acetate. They came in a previous box, and now it came with the silver, but I flipped it over, so I just kind of bent it backwards so that it's flipped over. And here I've added this was the little charm, or yeah, you can use it as a planner charm or keychain. I just removed the lobster clasp and I attached it there. I loved how it's just like kind of frames, it stays, it looks like it's part of the dashboard under it. And I just used double-sided tape. And then for my first dashboard, the paper that I've used is from an older PlannerSociety kit. I don't know if you can see it, but it has almost like a wood grain background with this, like it's been painted like with a pastel pink. And I don't remember which box it came from. I literally looked in my stash, but I did cover the back with this little white background with little gold foil dots. This paper, I think it was from Hobby Lobby. So because the background here, it was just very, I think it was a blue floral, so it didn't really go with the scheme. But on the corner here, as always, I have the glitter edgers from the Planner Society, and then the card was from the Stay Golden box. It's gorgeous. I just trimmed it down a little bit, and I backed it with this kind of matte gold paper from Michaels with little eyelets here on the side, and it says grateful heart. Just very, you know, we're all very grateful to be, you know, here, to have a family, to have loved ones, friends, etc. So I thought it was perfect for the new year. And on the inside here, this is the insert that came in the kit. I love it. It's very sweet, simple. It has this beautiful foiled, you know, foiled bow. Now, this is the this insert has been designed by Annieplansprintables, and she actually gonna have matching inserts that you can get from her website. So you can look it up, and then on our website, and you can see here it's a collab with Annieplansprintables. You know that I love Annie's inserts. Her inserts are my favorite. This time I did not want to print out a whole insert, but now that, you know, I may, but I didn't have time, honestly, for this setup. But if you want to get the matching inserts, go to our website. I'm just thinking for this month, because I don't honestly know how much I'm going to be using the planner for day to day. I just want to write down when I have something, the dates for that day. And so I'm going to use it as I go. I'm going to see how February goes and how my, you know, work basically affects my planning, and so I'll see what to do for February. But again, gorgeous collab. And here in the back, it's the same. I just use a little sticker pocket from the Planner Society. These are the little bows that I always use, and I don't think I've ever used them. So I mean, never used them. I never showed them to you guys, but this is what they look like. So they're called La Petite. They're by the Paper Studio. They're from again, Hobby Lobby. They come in tons of colors. I always stock up whenever I find them, because they are you know, perfect. Now, I wanted to mention that if you do not have this paper and you're looking like, oh my gosh, what am I going to use? The Planner Society actually has these printables on the Etsy shop that it's under Christy Tomlinson, and I did not have a chance to print them. I had printed them previously. This will make a perfect match. So this would be awesome if you want to, you know, look them up and print them directly from the Planner Society Etsy shop. So inside the little pocket, I have a couple of sticker sheets from Fox and Pip. I absolutely adore this. These are gorgeous. I don't use them. They're just too beautiful. I just like to stick them in pockets. Then I have some stickers that are also gorgeous. These are from the HelloPetitePaper company. Vanessa, she's amazing. And then some stickers from the Planner Society, and then another Fox and Pip little paper clip, which I love. Then here's the back of the acetate. I just used the little puffy sticker Enjoy from a previous Planner Society box. And then because it's very floral here, I thought that a doily, one of these doilies that came from Michaels, they used to have them in the front, you know, when they have those little bins, and I stocked up. I just changed them from planner to planner. I thought it looked cute. It's very, you know, I have not used them recently, but I think in this, because of kind of the toile here vibe of the next vellum paper, I thought it went well together. And this again is a vellum paper from a previous kit from the Planner Society, and I put the word be kind always. I'm sorry, this is from Simply Gilded. The be kind is from the Planner Society. And here's my second insert, which is one of the grocery list inserts from Annieplansprintables. And then the paper here is from a paper pad, which I've had for a while. It is by Banbury Keepers. I'm gonna try to link it below. It's been, you know, it's been out for a long time, so I wasn't sure that it would actually even be possible to find. But this is a journaling card instead that was released by Irina earlier, so I just trimmed it down. Same thing. I didn't use this time. You know that usually I like to use a little bow here on the bottom, but this time, because there were so many bows, I thought it was a little overkill. And as much as I love bows, I don't want bows, triple bows, and every page would be a little much. But it's the same, simple. It's very simple. It's very clean. It was very quick. I wasn't even sure that I was going to actually set up a planner. So, you know, this had to be quick. But I backed it with this little teeny tiny dots polka dots all over paper, just very soft, very sweet. And then the back, I've added the sticky notes that come in the Stay Golden box, and I've also added these previously released sticky notes that are vellum. I just like the idea that it looked almost, because this almost looks like a frame to me, it looks like a frame, and so this both gives me the same vibe, and so I thought, why not double them up? And of course on these you can write using the specialty pens, and then the word heart, and then the micro perm pen, by the way. Then here's the back of the vellum with the word love. Here's the back of the doily, and here's the gorgeous washi dashboard. This is just stunning. This is all the washi from the box, so I basically kept it as is, and I used just the little bow sticker that also comes in the box. I'm just in love with it. I could totally frame this. I just love this washi dashboard. I love the selection. It's just there's something very fresh and very beautiful about it. At the same time, it's very calming, very soft. And I transitioned it into another card that did not come with the box, but was previously released in a little bundle of different floral journaling cards. And I think, don't quote me on that because I'm terrible about this thing, but doesn't it look stunning together? I mean, it just looks beautiful. I had it in my stash. It is rose gold here, so it's not a super perfect match, but you can barely see it. And the background of the paper is the same paper that I used for the first dashboard. So I just wanted to, when there's a lot of florals, I try to keep the background kind of consistent, because otherwise when there's a lot of patterns, it kind of gives me a headache to have too much contrasty. But this pattern is so beautiful with this that I thought it wouldn't contrast too much. And it's very pretty, it's just, I don't know, it's very girly. And in the back, I have used another paper from the same paper pad that where I got the back of this paper here. So this paper and this paper come from the same paper pad, which I hope to find, and I will link it below if I find it. And then this is just a blank insert. I just transfer it from planner to planner if I don't use it, so it's one of those. And then back here I have another little sticker pocket, always from the Planner Society. And then in here I just have some stickers. I just have the date dots from the current box. I just have a little sampler from Irene, another little sticker from the Planner Society, and of course the same little bow sticker. Now here's the back, and here, this is it. This is a little pouch that came in a previous planner, Simply Gilded box. It had rose gold, and I've shown it before how I have just added a little kind of little wood chip, a little sticker there that has a gold glitter on top so that it could match better. And here's a look at how I added the JumBow. But this is it, guys. So it was a very fast setup because I honestly did not have any time. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Send me a DM at Planningfancy on Instagram. I reply to all DMs, and I hope you like this setup, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful beginning of 2022, and have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.